This charming waterfront stilt home in Crystal River will enchant you to the core. Spanning 3 lots, with 150 of waterfront, private ramp and golf access, you will fall in love in an instant. Enter the house through into the great room. The living, dining and kitchen areas are all open with cathedral ceilings, making the space feel airy and enormous. Down the corridor from the kitchen you will find the primary and second bedrooms and the guest bathroom. The primary boasts a roomy ensuite with shower. Off of the great room, overlooking the waterfront, is a large screened-in porch. This cozy hideaway has you nestled up in the trees, surrounded by peace and tranquility. It is the ultimate perch to while away the hours. The utility is down the main staircase from the great room. This large utility houses the washer and dryer with ample room for storing your fishing gear out of the elements. There is an exterior door out to the massive carports with an enclosed workshop and space for multiple vehicles/vessels. Sprawling over 3 lots, there is room for an RV, boats and trailers with the circular drive making access a breeze. The private boat launch is a bonus and the dock makes for convenient slippage. The fishing in Florida is phenomenal. The flats fishing in Florida is exceptional. These waters are some of the few untouched areas left in the state. The mud flats are teeming with snook, redfish, trout, blue crab, shrimp and so much more. Come discover the old Florida fishing community of Ozello. This charming outpost will have you smitten and ready to buy.